Hello students, today we are going to discuss the fifth numerical of indeterminacy of frames. Question is written here, find the static indeterminacy of the given structure. Okay, the structure is shown on your screen. We just write the name of all the support, that is A, B, C and D. Okay, now at support A and C, fixed supports will be present, and at support B, hinge support will be there, and at last support D, roller support will be present. Okay, now we need to calculate the total static indeterminacy. For the calculation of total static indeterminacy, it will be the sum of external static indeterminacy plus internal static indeterminacy. Now if we want to calculate the external static indeterminacy, it will be equals to R minus S. Now what is R? The total number of external support reaction which is present at all the supports. Now due to fixed support at A, there will be three reactions, that is vertical, horizontal and movement. Now at support B, due to hinge support, there will only be two reactions, that is vertical and horizontal. Now at fixed support C, there will also be three reactions, that is vertical, horizontal and movement. Now due to roller support at D, only one reaction will be there in vertical direction, that is the vertical reaction. So the total reaction will be equals to 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the total number of reaction will be equals to 9 here. Okay. Now the total number of equilibrium condition for frame will always be equals to 3. So we just put the values here, that is 9 minus 3, it will be equals to 6. So the total external static indeterminacy will be equals to 6. Now we need to find the total internal static indeterminacy, whose formula is 3C, where C is the number of cut required to open the loop. Here to open the loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cuts will be required. So the value of C will be 6. So it will be equals to 18. Now that will be the value of internal static indeterminacy. Now if you want to calculate total static indeterminacy, it will be the sum of external static indeterminacy plus internal static indeterminacy. So if you just sum these values, then it will be equals to what? 24. That will be the static indeterminacy of this frame. Okay, now if you want to use direct formula, that is 3C minus RR. Okay, now C is the number of cut required to obtain the cantilever structure. Here the number of cut required will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 cuts will be required to open the or to obtain the cantilever structure. Okay, now the value of release reaction will be the number of reactions required to convert any support into fixed support. Now support A and C is already fixed. To convert support B into fixed support, release reaction required will be equals to 1, and to convert the roller support at D into fixed support, the release reaction required will be 2. Now the total release reaction will be equals to 3. Now if you just solve this equation, that is 9 into 3, that is 27 minus 3, then it will be equals to 24. That will be the static indeterminacy of this frame. Okay students, we had completely solved this question. Thank you very much.